If you have two oppositely charged plane surfaces of magnitude-wise same surface charge density, then what will be the electric field intensity on either sides and in the middle of this arrangement? Let us suppose this is a plane surface. It is coming out of the plane, that is why we can see it as a line, and it is positively charged. And similarly, there is a negatively charged surface also. This will be the pattern of electric field produced by this positive plate. And this will be the direction of electric field due to negatively charged plate, that is toward the plate. Now, if both of these plates are kept close to each other, then how will be the resultant electric field? So here it is. And as you can see, on either side, left and right side of both the plates, electric fields are opposite to each other, and in between the plates, electric field due to both is along same direction. Now you will see better. So you can see all the blacks are toward this direction, all the blues are toward this direction. They are opposite. These are also opposite. And in between the plates, field line by negative is from left to right, and for positive, it's again left to right. So both will be added up. And as we know, the electric field intensity due to a surface charge is E equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. So on left and right side, both the electric fields are opposite to each other. So both will cancel each other. So on left side as well as on right side, both electric field by both the surfaces will be opposite to each other, sigma upon 2 epsilon naught minus sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. They will cancel each other and the resultant is 0. Remember, this negative is not because of that minus sigma charge density. It is just because of opposite direction. Now, in between the plates, both fields are in same direction. So in the middle of the plates, both will be added up because both are in same direction. So resultant electric field intensity between the plates is 2 sigma upon 2 epsilon naught, which will be sigma upon epsilon naught in between the plates.